Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Sindy Akpolo. Good to have you here. You're most definitely welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial that is everywhere here on YouTube. I've seen a couple of videos about the tutorial and I've done it before, but I thought to come on here to do it like in a separate video. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing highlight and contour before foundation. So I'm gonna be applying my highlights and contour before I do foundation to see how it wears, because I've been seeing a bit. Really? Guys, ignore the noise. There's a construction work outside my building and it's crazy. In this video, I'm gonna be doing my highlight and contour before my foundation to see how it wears, to see how it applies on my skin. And if that sounds like a video you're most interested in, definitely keep on watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section, and let's jump right into the video. For my highlight, I'm going to be using this concealer from Milani, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, in my under eye, like so. So this is not like an in-depth tutorial on highlight and contour. If you want to see highlight and contour, I already have an highlight and contour video or tutorial on my channel, which I'm going to link in the cards. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And then for my contour, I'm going to be using this one from LA Girl Pro in dark cocoa. So I'm gonna blend my contour first, and this technique, I've actually tried this technique before using the Scott Barnes method, and if you haven't seen that video, I'm also going to link that in the cards and also in my description bar as well. My damn beauty blender, I'm going to blend the highlight. I'm also going to blend this because it's already dried down. I'm going to quickly blend this all out. Okay, it's not looking bad. When I did try this technique using the Scott Barnes method, it was with a brush, and it was way pigmented, and I love the coverage, and I also love the coverage I'm getting with a beauty blender. I know this is not new to me, but it's like common. And I'm going to blend my nose contour using the same brush I used earlier. If you've watched my tutorials before, you know that I use more than one concealer. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium warm, and I'm just going to put that in my under eye to brighten my under eye, like so. And I'm also going to blend that out. She's looking good. I use the Clinique Even Better foundation in golden. I'm going to apply that at the back of my hand, about this amount, and I'm going to go in with my foundation brush to blend. So I'm blending that in between my highlight and my contour. I'm not taking it all the way to my contour, to my highlight. Okay, so next I'm going to apply on this other side of my face where I didn't apply any product at all. Don't forget to bring it all the way down to your neck. Apply the foundation on my under eye where I applied my highlights, or where I highlighted. And also my contour area, between the highlight and contour. I'm blending everything together. Honestly, I love how this wears on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel cakey, it looks so good. So I'm going to set my under eye with powder, as well as set my contour as well. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera to finish the rest of my makeup real quick and come back to give you guys my final review on this step or the process. Guys, here is the finished look, and in my own opinion, I love this step, the highlights and contour before foundation. It is what I do sometimes. It gives a perfect and flawless finish. This step to me is quick and easy because sometimes you might want to quickly apply your foundation, apply your highlight and contour, and just do all of that step, everything together at once. And if you know you don't have time to apply foundation, highlight and contour, you can do the reverse. You can do the highlight, contour, and then over to the foundation. With this step, you don't have to apply your foundation way too much. The reason is because you already have product on your face. It limits you to applying way too much foundation. You just apply a little foundation on your skin and you're good to go, which is one reason I love this step. It is mostly skin like, really good. So let me know if you've tried this step before. If you're going to try it, let me know how your process went and how it's applied or wears on your face. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one.